नवं कसिनो येता म्हणून पयर सीसीबीन बोवाळ झालो.
सर तुमच्यानी सांगलं सर रिलेक्ट जावन येता की तुम्ही 100 दिसांनी कसिनो आतां आपूण पांडवेंतल्या काडटले
सो
म्हणून.
ताजो इम्पॅक्ट जातलो.
तुम्ही आसलो हांव इलेक्ट जावन येयला तेन्ना माझे फर्स्ट वॉट वॉज माय फर्स्ट ड्युटी जर उदय मडकईकर विल बी देर. उदय मडकईकर will be there. After getting elected, after 2 days basically, we started on that process. I still remember what I had said. I am not running away from what I had said. Mardekar, that time Mardekar was the mayor. Mardekar, myself and Yatin Parikh, we three went basically to clear as far as near, I think near the footpath. That because which comes, encroachment comes towards the CCP. We cannot go inside the, because that doesn't come within our jurisdiction. What is the thing what they did? They basically filed a molestation cases against us. I'm just trying to tell you. So it is wrong to say that I did not do anything. And now as far as this renewal is concerned, I think in 2027 the renewal will be coming for this. That's the time we will see what is to be.
So you will be opposing that.
सो तेन्ना तुम्ही लायसन्स
Who can say what is happening tomorrow? So be rest assured.
But the
As
casino-
I had said, so it is wrong to say that I have done nothing. The first thing I did after getting elected was this.
So
Because
फुडें
I tried. What to do?
पण फुडें ट्राय करतले तुम्ही कसिनो हांगच्यान वचपाक.
I am
Police
just
MLA.
trying to say, Casino, Ospark and Yo Park has nothing to do with me. Is one thing. Second thing, what I am trying to say, you go around, instead of you asking me this question, no, you go around and ask the businessmen of Panjim whether casino being there is affecting them or is giving additional this thing to their business. You ask them. If people of Panjim doesn't want, things will not happen. But you ask them also.
पण पड पद्मश्री लोबो
See,
सरदेसाई
you are asking me too many questions which I am not even aware of. So
ती
please don't-
पणजेकर तिने अपोज केले आणि बाकीचे आणि कोण येल्ले पण त्यांच्यानी अपोज केले.
काडटलो म्हटलेलो पळय तेन्ना ते चिंतून लोक कारण जाय कानाका ते
अरे तुका हांवें सांगलें पळय वी हॅड स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस देखून तुका सांगलें न्हू चिंतपाचें ना हांवें कितें उतर दिलें तें हांव पालोवंक हांव भायर सरलो बट दीस इज वॉट वी गॉट एंड दॅट इज द टायम इफ यू लूक बॅक देर वॉज नो वन स्टँडिंग बिहायंड यू.
The voice for Koi.